My name's Tom Galbraith. I'm the plant manager here at Milbank, El Dorado. I've been here for almost 42 years. We have a pretty stable workforce. Our longest employee's been here a little bit longer than me. She's been here for 42 years, I think next month. 50 plus people have been here over 15 years. Half the office staff's been here probably over 25 years. We have a lot of people on the floor that's been here 25 or 30 years. We've got employees here that's parents worked here. I mean, their kids work here. It's the family atmosphere has been one of the key points to make us the stronger. We stress family values here. And, you know, the people get along and they work good together. Teamwork, it's pretty important. We know that, and they come together when it's needed and work strongly as a team.